good people, please stay safe and healthy in this pandemic situation. May God will bless us so we can through these difficult times. Salam SFD. Today, looking for a job is not easy. You must have good qualification in order to compete 2,000 applicants. You need to prepare a good application letter. So in this video, I will tell you about how to write application letter. Hi everyone. In this session, I will tell you about how to write job application letter or cover letter. On the last meeting, we have learned about what is application letter and parts of application letter. Before starting our lesson, I will tell you the learning objective of this topic. Sebelum memulai pembelajaran, saya akan menyampaikan tujuan pembelajaran dari topik ini. Yang pertama, siswa dapat mengidentifikasi teks surat lamaran kerja dengan rajin dan giat. Yang kedua, siswa dapat membandingkan berbagai jenis surat lamaran kerja dari berbagai sumber. Yang ketiga, siswa dapat menyusun surat lamaran kerja berdasarkan iklan lowongan kerja. Oke. What is job application letter or cover letter? A letter that you write to a company or organization when you are applying for a job. It is a document sent with your resume to provide additional information on your skills and experience and elaborate your qualification. Sebelum kita masuk, bagaimana cara membuat sebuah surat lamaran pekerjaan, kita perlu memahami dulu apa itu surat lamaran kerja. What is job application letter or cover letter? Surat yang kamu tulis kepada sebuah perusahaan atau organisasi di mana kamu melamar pekerjaan tersebut, atau sebuah dokumen yang dikirim dengan resume dari kamu untuk membuat tambahan informasi tentang kemampuan kamu dan pengalaman kamu dan juga tentang kualifikasi kamu. Let's observe the picture. On the picture, you can see someone is searching a job on job vacancy sites. You know job vacancy sites such as Locker ID, JobStreet, Career.com, Kerja.com, etc. Mari kita lihat gambar ini. Pada gambar kamu bisa lihat seseorang sedang mencari pekerjaan pada situs lowongan kerja. Contohnya di negara kita seperti Locker ID, JobStreet, Career.com, Kerja.com, dan sebagainya. Today, a job seeker can find a job by searching on some trusted sites. Sekarang ini, pencari kerja bisa mencari pekerjaan dengan mencari pada beberapa situs yang terpercaya. So, a job seeker not only find or search a job on newspaper advertisement, but also they can search a job by searching them on internet. Jadi pencari kerja sekarang tidak hanya mencari pekerjaan dari iklan-iklan di surat kabar, tapi juga bisa mencari di situs-situs di internet. Where do you find the job vacancy? Nah, sudah saya sebutkan sebelumnya, di mana kamu bisa mencari lowongan pekerjaan. Locker ID, JobStreet, Career.com, kerja.com, Kalip, etc. Okay, now let's see the example of job vacancy on Kalip. You can see that on the job vacancy advertisement, the job is product support Mandarin. One day ago, and then there are some requirements there. Work closely with product manager to evaluate product failures, etc. You can read by yourself. And in this session, I will give you some example of application letter or cover letter. The first example here, it is from Roseli, and it is addressed to P.O. Box 139 and 3, and you can read it by yourself. The second example, it is written by Ade, and then it is addressed to PT Unilever Indonesia, and then you can read it by yourself. Okay, how to write the cover letter or application letter? There are some tips and tricks to write a cover letter. The first is write your resume completely. The second, use the formal format. And the third is use the formal and polite language. And the fourth, promote yourself. And the fifth is add your CV, curriculum vitae, and enclose any document needed. Ada beberapa tips dan trik untuk menulis sebuah surat lamaran pekerjaan. Yang pertama, tulislah surat lamaranmu dengan lengkap. Yang kedua, gunakan format-format yang formal. Yang ketiga, gunakan bahasa yang formal dan sopan. Yang keempat, promosikanlah, iklankanlah dirimu. Dan yang kelima, tambahkan kurikulum vitae-nya dan lampirkan dokumen-dokumen yang dibutuhkan. You need to practice. How to do that? Kamu perlu praktek menuliskan surat lamar pekerjaan. Bagaimana melakukannya? Do this task. Lakukanlah tugas ini. The first is find the example of job vacancy from the internet. The second, create a job application letter or cover letter based on your job vacancy. And the third is follow the parts of application letter you have learned from the meeting before. Okay, and then remember this. In writing the application letter or cover letter, you need to remember the date, the heading, inside address, salutation, letter, complimentary closing, and signature. Jadi kamu harus mengingat hal-hal ini, bagian-bagian ini dalam menulis sebuah surat lamaran pekerjaan. And hopefully that it will be beneficial for you. And thank you for your attention and see you until the next session.